Deep cleans and deodorizes fresh water tanks in campers and boats. For cleaning entire freshwater drinking system after long-term storage. Removes scale and sediment that can lead to foul taste and smell. Will not neutralize head chemicals if drained into gray or black water tanks. 1 gallon treats 100 gallons. Top reviews from the United States. Camper scaling rotten eggs. Our first time owning a used camper. The owners should have read the manual about winterizing water heaters. This product eliminated the foul odors and eliminated all the scale, including the anode. No more stink of rotten eggs when you turn on the water to wash. Great product and good investment.